Hello, my name is Reggie, and I am a member of the Haitian Freethinkers. Haitian Freethinkers is one of the few secular groups for Haitians. Uh, you can find us on Facebook. We have an Instagram. We have a Twitter. We have a radio show on Black Talk Radio. So please just Google us and you'll find us. I want to make a quick video about Islam in Haiti. Before I begin, I wanted to give an invitation to all Haitians who are Muslim to please get in contact with us, and hopefully we can have a discussion about the topic. But I am concerned about Islam in Haiti. Although I think it is good overall that Haiti is getting some diversity in the religion business, I do think that we can focus on other things and better things. I don't think that Islam does anything different or special for Haitians. Uh, a lot of Haitians seem to be turning to Islam after the earthquake to find whatever, peace, to feel good or whatever. But Islam is not going to do anything for the next earthquake. We still live in an earthquake zone. We need to prepare, and religion is not really going to do anything about that. Whatever benefits that Haitians get from Islam, it is my opinion that they can get it elsewhere. I hear a lot of people saying that Islam is an old tradition, an old religion, dating back from time, not immemorial, but going back to people like Boukman, etc. And even if that's true, I still don't see why we are enamored with the religion and culture of foreigners. Obviously, we have the French influence with Catholicism and the language, etc. And they've basically demonized our native religion or religions of Vodou, etc. So we don't need another one coming in to basically do the same thing. I feel like the people in Haiti are not getting all the information that is possible out there, especially that which is not positive about Islam, so that they can make an informed choice. Obviously, as an atheist, I favor non-religion overall, um, education that is uh, dependent on critical thinking, etc. But if we're going to have a new religion starting up in Haiti or influencing Haitians, I would like to discuss with anybody why it is that they feel that Islam is going to do anything in this life, in this world for them. So that's basically the quick video. I invite anybody to please write me, or hopefully we can have a Google Hangout discussion. That would be the best thing. That way, that we can have a recorded conversation, and we can discuss uh, Islam and Haiti. So those are my thoughts. I look forward to hearing from you, and I'll talk to you later.